Hi guys, we're here to talk this morning about the different things you can do to get ready for 2019. There's only a few steps that are critical, mission critical, to get things done to really change your income, your relationships, and your business in the next coming year. But most people either have started and not finished their planning or haven't started at all. Here we are, beginning of December, and if you haven't started your planning, you really need to get into it. It's going to change your business. So, let's talk about it. The first thing that we want to talk about is creating an action plan. And it's knowing what that looks like. So it doesn't have to be complicated. It's a one-page document. List down 3 goals you have for this year, 3 projects you need to finish, and 3 habits that you want to establish every single day to help you finish your projects and reach your goals. If you do that, you're going to have the roadmap in front of you that you need to know what actions you need to take every day. But before we even get to action, there's something more important, and that's relationships, right, Bob?
Oh, absolutely. You know, since most people's business comes from relationships, referrals, if you're not growing your relationships, you're going to miss the boat. 70 to 90% of most people's new business comes from a referral from somebody you know. So you've got to grow your relationships.
Right. And the most important relationship that I think you can establish right now going into 2019 is an accountability partner. You and I get together every week, and we help each other finish the things that we want to finish to put our word out to the world.
Exactly.
And that changes the game. If you have 1 or 2 or 3 people that you can call on and depend on, that's what's going to separate and make all the difference for you going into 2019.
Then the next piece was what Kirk was alluding to earlier, was action. You've got to make sure that you are following through with this stuff. And one of the things that I shared with Kirk yesterday is a Google Drive document that set goals and all that stuff. It was about action. Did you follow through with them? That's where people really fall off the cliff. You've got to follow through.
Yeah, and so if you have your plan and you know what you want to accomplish, and you have your accountability partnership who's going to help you finish your action items, right? That's going to move you down the road. And then, of course, we want to create marketing differentiation. Those little things that you can do to separate yourself. One of the things that Bob and I have been talking about is doing small group presentations, whether it's a CPR class or a teaching on business strategy or whatever that might be. Bringing together some experts that can really elevate the conversation and create an environment where you and your potential client base can get to know each other and build and make those connections, building better relationships.
Well, and what we're talking about is most people, you know, if you're a realtor or a mortgage person, how do you differentiate yourself? You know, we know that mortgage people are doing co-branded flyers with the realtors. Everybody does that. So what is it that you are doing that is different? Just keep that in mind.
Yep. And then we want to track our data, right? You're the master of data, Bob. But one of the things we've been talking about is even how LinkedIn, which has become so many people's database, is now restricting access to your own information. You can't get your emails out of there. You can't get your phone numbers out of there. What are you going to do? One of the reasons I like your platform so much is you collect data and you help me re-aggregate my data in a way that I have access to all the information.
Right.
That's huge.
Right. Yeah, data. We're in a data-driven world today, and if you're not using data, your competitors are. So you need to figure out how to use it. It's out there.
That was our alarm. We're trying to keep this to 5 minutes or less so that you can get the most value you can. So, just to wrap up on that, thanks, Bob. You can get more information at...
Before you do that, I just want to mention one thing. All these are tools that you have all these different tools that you need to incorporate in. I think that's the key. All right, so I'm Bob Friedenthal, spell it for you, F-R-I-E-D-E-N-T-H-A-L. My phone number is area code 310-736-5787. That's a mobile, so you can call me or text me, and you can email me at bob@mycity.com.
Right. You want more information about my coaching platform where we give you the tools, tips, and techniques you need to be successful in your sales business. It's kirkjaffe.com, 818-483-9166. Look forward to seeing you on the other side.